Hi everyone. Today I will describe about strength of material. So come to our topic. What is strength? Resistance to failure is called strength. It is a material property. What is the meaning of M20? M20 basically it is a FCK equals to 20 megapascal. What is FCK? Not more than 5% results are accepted to failure. What is stiffness? Resistance against deformation is stiffness. This is a secondary design property. When stiffness is increased, then deformation is decreased. What is the assumption? Basically two assumptions. Material is continuous and material is homogeneous and isotropic. What is homogeneous? When at any point in one direction, same property. Example: wood, iron, gold, steel, brass. But bronze is not a homogeneous. Next come to isotropic. When it is a same directional property at one point in any direction, same property. Example: fine grained material, iron, gold, steel, but wood is a non-isotropic. Orthotropic. What is orthotropic? At any point in one directional property are different. Example: layered material, wood, sedimentary rocks, marble, granite, mica. It is a first directional property. And any isotropic, non-isotropic, allotropic, one point in different direction property different. This is a figure. Example: material with cracks and void. And it is a homogeneous plus isotropic. Example: iron, copper, gold. Any point in any direction, same property. And next come to a self-weight neglected. This is a stress versus strain graph. This is a width or self-weight, and this is a width or self-weight. And next come to a superposition principle. It is a algebraic sum of various effects is equal to the total effect. Some limitation of superposition principle: linear elastic material. This is a graph. Deformation are very small. Sinking of supports, long column, torsion or circular shaft. Okay. And Stevens principle is valid. When it is valid? Sudden change in any parameter cause stress.